Here we would like to introduce a smart and portable, USB coffee grinder, with stainless steel burr, offered by Zoom Life. 36 levels of grinding fineness setting are available to suit the various brewing methods. First, we turn the knob clockwise to not able to turn anymore. It is the level for the finest powder degree and also the 0 level. Then we turn counterclockwise to the level we want, for example, 24, for pour over coffee. After 24 click sound, the setting is done. Press to feel the spring inside the grinder working. Install the glass jar. And check whether the power button. It turns on but got off soon because we have not put the coffee beans in. Now we unlock the head and put the coffee beans in. Recommended 20 gram to 25 gram per dose. Then put the head back in lock position. Power on, and the smart grinder will automatically complete the grind job and stop itself when the job is done. In the middle of the job, if you would like to change the grinding level, you can just stop the power, and turn the knob, then continue. During the grinding process, if some beans are stuck, the grinder will automatically reverse and dislodge the stuck coffee beans. The grinding sound is elegant and not noisy. Now it is done. Just pat before you open the jar. The conical burr of Zoom coffee grinder is stainless steel CNC refined. The blade sharpness is excellent, HRC is high to 58. With such premium burr, coffee beans are ground with less fine powder, and the grinding particles are more average. Thank you for watching.